Listen, we are women in our 40s, right? And we are looking for flexible ways to make money still in 2025, and we are quickly approaching 2026. In this video, I am going to break down the 6 best side hustles for women over 40 that actually work. No fluff, no scams, just freedom. And if you have ever felt like you're not techie enough, you're too old, you're too busy, girl, this video is for you. I have been right there, staying up late at night, praying to God, saying, Lord, is this really all there is? Am I supposed to keep doing the same thing, feeling exhausted and defeated and disappointed for yet another 20 years? Here's what I've learned. You're not too old, you're not behind, and you are definitely not out of options. God didn't design you to be stuck and live stressed out. He created you for more. And today I want to share with you the 6 very real ways for you to step into that more. Quick question before we get started. What would you do with an extra $1,000 a month? Would you pay off debt? Would you travel? Would you use it for a little guilt-free fun money? Drop it in the comments. I would love to know. All right, if you're new here, my name is Ashley. I am a proud wife of a disabled veteran, and I have tried all kinds of ways to be able to make extra income. And in this video, I'm going to share with you several ways that you can make an income, and stick around because the very last one is the best. So before we jump into the list, let's make sure that you've got the right filter in place, because it's not just about what pays the most, because if you hate it, you're not going to stick with it. So ask yourself these questions. What do I love doing? What do people ask for help from me with? What am I really good at? And what would people actually pay for? Don't worry too much about this part. You can research that and make sure. But I guarantee you that if you love it and you know how to do it, there's somebody out there that's looking for guidance on it, and they'll pay for it. So where those all overlap, that's your sweet spot. So keep those in mind as I share these 6 side hustles, because I guarantee that one of them is going to light a fire in you and you're going to make a good connection. Okay, first up, YouTube. Now, I know you might be thinking, Ashley, I'm not 22. I don't do dance videos. I don't know about putting myself online. But that's not what I'm talking about. YouTube is a whole different platform. It is great for us ladies in our 40s. People are craving real wisdom and real life experience, and that's what you get to share over on YouTube. And the awesome part is that once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can get monetized. That means that YouTube pays you through putting ads into your videos. That's income from simply sharing your story. And you don't have to have any fancy equipment. I just film with my phone and I edit with my laptop. Think about it. You could share like faith encouragement, how to start a garden, how to have a strong, beautiful marriage, how to do quilting, anything that pulls at your heart, you can do. So tell me in the comments, what is something that you could talk about without any prompts, that you could talk about for hours, that you could make some videos on? Put in the comments, I'm curious. Here's the awesome thing about YouTube also is that the videos keep working for you for years to come. I've seen women making $1,500 to $2,000 a month just off of the ads and the money that YouTube sends them. So that's not life-changing income, but it sure would take some pressure off, right? All right, number 2 is affiliate marketing. This is absolutely genius. You get paid to recommend products that other people create. This is stuff that you already use. Like, I have a griddle that I love that I should probably set up a link in Amazon and put it out there, and then I can just text it to people and I can make some money off of it. So there's low ticket affiliate, stuff like that, like an Amazon affiliate program. And then there's high ticket affiliate programs. So like I'm in a coaching class and I get 50% anytime I recommend the coaching course. And that is linked below. So the high ticket affiliate, like I made 2 sales off of that and I got my money back. I made $750 total off of that. right? And I could still keep making money. That's the awesome part of affiliate marketing. You don't have to have inventory. You don't have to do customer service. You don't have to have any of the shipping. You don't have to have any of those headaches, right? You're just selling somebody else's stuff. So what are some things that you use, that you love, that you talk about to people all the time? Do you have like a Bible app? Do you shop on Amazon all the time? Is there some course that you have taken? Ask and check out and see if there's an affiliate that maybe you could start making some money on the side with this kind of thing. So affiliate marketing is the perfect starter hustle because it's simple, it's flexible, and you're already doing it for free. So you could just get some extra money put back in your pocket. All right. The third one is digital products. This one is super powerful because it lets you create something once and then you just sell it over and over and over again. Think devotionals, planners, recipe books, coloring books. I've created my own coloring book. You can even do mini courses with this. So you don't have to be an expert on anything. You just need to be a couple steps ahead of somebody else. So a couple examples, like a meal planning system that takes 5 hours out of a woman's week, a printable Bible study journal, a confidence workbook for women who feel stuck. Digital products are low cost to start, there's no shipping, and you get to bless people with your knowledge and your wisdom. It's personal and profitable. Number 4 is memberships. Women in their 40s are craving connection. A membership lets you create a community around a topic that you love, like Bible study, fitness, health and wellness, cooking. You can charge a small monthly fee, or you can have a free community, but build in your digital products in there where you sell stuff within your community, or you can do both. Have a charge for your community and charge for the things that are in there as well. You've built both a reoccurring income and a community. This one can feel like ministry and business beautifully woven together. And I have my own community with a friend of mine. Her name is Judy. The link for that is below. It's called Anchored in Hope, and it is a beautiful community that we're just getting started, but I love it. And we talk about having the balance in all of our lives with prayer and mindset and budgeting and creativity. I have some menus in there, and then natural healing. We love our community and we would love to have you in there with us. Okay, number 5 is coaching. Now hear me on this one. You don't have to have a certification. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to have a PhD in anything. You just need to know just a little bit more than somebody else. For instance, quilting. If you love quilting, maybe you're not super good at it and you haven't won, the state championship of and make these incredible intricate quilts, right? But you are able to cut the pieces, put them together in straight lines, and make something that you're beautiful and that you're proud of, right? There are women that want to learn how to make that. So you could teach them something like that. Anything that you love, anything that you're good at. Like I asked in those questions earlier in the video, what is something that people come to you and ask your advice on? What is something that tugs at your heart? What is something that you can talk about forever? What are these things that maybe you could teach somebody on and you could start your own coaching app? Girl, just remember that you just need to be like 10 steps maybe ahead of somebody else. Your story or your ideas or your skills could be the exact thing that another woman has been craving. All right, drum roll. Number 6, the best side hustle, and this is the one that is changing my life. This is e-learning with master resale rights. When I first started, I didn't want to spend years guessing. I did not want to go back to school. I did not want to sit in front of the computer for hours upon hours. I needed something that would actually teach me and work with my perimenopausal brain and be able to have skills right away that I can apply and go start making money. Exactly what I found. This is a program that has taught me step by step exactly what digital marketing is, exactly what digital products are, and I was scared to death because I didn't know, I had never even heard of the term digital marketing before, and wrapping my brain around digital products was a whole other issue, right? But this has taught me all of those things very simply. With it, I get the step-by-step setup. I get a website, I get email funnels, I get payment links, I get everything already done for me. And all I had to do was watch the simple step-by-step videos, link it all together, personalize it and make it my own. And then I was up and running and able to make cash. I get skills that I never knew that I could ever possibly have, like telling my story, how to write good emails, how to do social media, how to edit videos. That's been super fun for me to learn. My favorite part of this is that it's master resale rights, which means that you get 100% profit. The top selling product in our program is $900. So imagine that. You make a $900 sale, and because this is master resale rights, you make 100% of that. So you get $900 into your bank account. That is where the life-changing money is. The combination of the e-learning, the simple steps, and the commission makes this the most incredible, best side hustle. And I don't know that I would even call it a side hustle, because for me, I see now that I can get out of my 9-to-5 job and I can start traveling full-time with my veteran husband, and I can be able to give back to other veterans all over the country. That's my goal with this. If you want to see the exact blueprint that I am following step by step, check it out. It's in the link below. It's wealthbuilderwelch.com. Put in a good email address in there and you will get all of the information sent to you. This could be the exact turning point that has been building up and that you have been waiting for. All right, girl, let me leave you with this. You're not too old. You're not too late. You're not behind. Scripture says that God is able to do immeasurably more than all we could ever ask or imagine, and that includes you. All right, so which of these side hustles lit a fire in you today? Tell me in the comments. I want to cheer you on. And if you're ready to stop guessing and finally follow a proven step-by-step path, then grab my blueprint in the description. You're made for more. Your time is now. Let's do this together. I am super excited for you. I hope you have a super blessed day, and I will see you in the next video.